Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by assembling the clean pot, metal basket, and lid, then add 6-8 ohs of chopped chocolate or chips directly into the main bowl. Once done, plug the unit into a grounded outlet and set the dial to low or medium heat. This prevents scorching. You want gentle, even heat so chocolate melts smoothly. Make sure the basket sits centered. This enables stir access and keeps the exterior cool. You're starting the melt now, so stir every 30-45 seconds as it softens. You continue by stirring steadily with a heat-safe silicone spatula until the chocolate becomes glossy and fluid. Constant motion prevents graininess. If it's thick, add 1 teaspoon neutral oil or 1-2 tablespoons melted cocoa butter to improve flow. This also lowers viscosity for dipping. Make sure to keep the lid off briefly to let any trapped moisture escape, because steam causes seizing. Once tempered by gentle stirring, maintain low heat and test a small piece. You now use the basket to dip fruit or treats. Immerse, lift, and tap off excess against the rim, then rest items on parchment to set. Once dipping, switch the pot to the warm/hold setting so temperature stays consistent without burning. Make sure to stir occasionally. If chocolate cools and thickens, return to low heat briefly and stir. If it seizes, add 1 teaspoon warm oil or melted cocoa butter and stir slowly until smooth. That single troubleshooting tip usually revives seized chocolate quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.